Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn adapter design pattern in Java. We are going to understand this adapter pattern with help of an iPhone and a OnePlus phone example. So I'll switch on my camera. So say I have two phones. I have one OnePlus phone and one iPhone. So I recently purchased my OnePlus phone and I already owned my iPhone from before. So the headset that I'm using for my iPhone is a different one and for the OnePlus is a different one, right? So what if I want to use my OnePlus adapter, it's OnePlus headsets itself in my iPhone, in my OnePlus phone, right? So what I can do is I can use a adapter. I can convert the pin of my iPhone to my OnePlus phone, which is a very simple thing, right? Which we can do, and we can save a lot of money by purchasing adapter. So similar thing goes in Java also. So here also we can just reuse a class. We can create a adapter class and we can do our conversions, all the conversions in that class, and use that adapter class wherever the conversions are required. So here again I've implemented the same thing in a Java fashion. So what I've done is I've created one iPhone class. So I'll just show you this class. It has one method which says get sound output. So it's returning a sound output as some binary, and my OnePlus is returning a sound output as an integer. So my iPhone was returning a string and my OnePlus phone is returning an integer. So if I want to, so let's see how we can implement adapter pattern here. So we have our earplug class. So say I owned one earplug from before. Okay, so if I do get sound on my iPhone, it will return a string, and my earplug take sound method takes a string, but it does not has another method, say take sound input, which takes an integer. So it does not takes an integer, it only takes a string. So I require certain kind of an adapter to convert my integer to some string for my OnePlus phone, right? Because if I do get sound on my OnePlus, it is going to return me an integer. So see here I've done get sound on my OnePlus phone and it's returning me a integer. So if I try to feed this integer directly to this method here, what will happen is it will give me an error because it has to convert it to string. It only takes string, right? So it's going to tell me some error. So it's like it takes a string, not a integer. So what I can do is like I can just convert it here also to string. But a better approach is like rather than converting here, we should use adapter design pattern, and we should put all our conversions in a separate class, so that even in future if there is some more functionality like this, we can create all the conversions in a separate class, and we can reuse it anywhere in the code. So this is a better approach towards designing your applications, and that is how it comes, like design pattern. That is why it's called a design pattern. So do implement this design pattern. Always try to segregate your common functionalities into a different class. So here it's like an adapter. Sometimes you can create your util is also kind of an adapter design pattern. If you see, your utility just converts from one form to another. If you must be Java developer from many years, you must have written certain utility classes. So that is also kind of an adapter design pattern. So yeah, do like and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos in coming days. Thank you.